Hold on, I gotta retire the truck. Back the fuck away.
Yeah, let's get into some shit.
Excuse me.
Look at this fucking truck.
No,
Who
we
did
can
this
save
shit?
it. Someone needs to get in the truck so I can move it. It's a physics
Look at
thing.
this fucking... We're stuck. The wheel's spinning.
Oh shit!
Whoa!
I got it.
What
I got
the? Wait, we gotta flip it.
Flip 'em, boys. Flip 'em.
Jump on the wheels.
The team effort. I'm
No,
gonna get
that
fucking
didn't work.
crushed.
That didn't work.
Tip me over,
Alright,
boys.
it might be fucked now.
No,
Should we turbo it while we're at it? Oh no.
If you get
Oh,
okay, we can go.
it's gonna tip back over in the fucking hole.
Keep pushing.
Keep it going.
Wait, this is just where we started.
Alright, when it's on its side like this though, it's pretty tough.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh, we got it. We got it. Oh.
Oh, I see what boys.
We just keep flipping it over.
The one that
Yes!
Holy shit.
Let's go!
Go fucking got it.
I got the gun too!
Oh.
Yes, I'm in the car.
Good luck, boys.
Are you here?
We're gonna get fucking blown up.
Is this you to my left? Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Okay, that was the...
That's no good.